Hi guys, I'm Yuan Escobar from grade 10 Maxwell, and I am here for you guys to demonstrate, illustrate, and show you how to correctly answer the missing term in a geometric sequence using the geometric formula. Yes, we're going to do that. And since we're going to do that, I'm also gonna be your tutor. So, you should listen to me, and I hope that you will like my video so that makapasa ko sa first grading na mo nga math. So tara, sugdan na nato. First, let us define our goals and objectives in this session. Our first goal is to define what is geometric sequence, while our next goal is to illustrate and demonstrate how to solve the missing term in a geometric sequence using the geometric formula. So here, we're going to define the geometric sequence. The geometric sequence, or the geometric progression, are ordered sets of numbers that is progressed by multiplying or dividing each term by the same amount each time. This amount is called common ratio. So, as you can see, may example po tayo dito. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The sequence progress po dahil minultiply po siya na by 2. And the next example, 20, 10, 5, 2.5, 1.25. The sequence progresses dahil po dinivide po siya ng, here we have the geometric formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. We're going to define the variables. A sub n is equal to n term, or the term that we're going to find in a geometric sequence. A sub 1 is the first term in the geometric sequence, while the r is the common ratio of the sequence, and the n is the term position. Ganyan lamang po kadali. Now, let us proceed into solving a problem, example problem, nang para mas maintindihan po natin ang geometric sequence at kung paano po siya obtain yung missing term using this formula. Let's go! Let's go na tayo. So we have here a problem that is in need of using geometric formula in order to find the missing term. We have to read the problem first. Find the 10th term of the sequence 16, 8, 4, 2, and so on. As you can see, guys, we already have the formula written, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where a sub n, or the n itself, is the term that we're going to find in the sequence, when a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, while the r naman po natin is the ratio. Mamaya guys, ituro ko po sa inyo kung paano po natin mahanap na yung ratio. But first, let's focus muna kung paano po natin isosolve yung missing term using geometric formula. So, this is basic substitution lang, guys. Yung n na nandito, isa-substitute lang po natin siya sa value na nakapaloob dito. So, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, the a sub n will be replaced into a sub 10 is equal to a sub 1, 16, times r, which is 1/2, raised to 10 minus 1. So, a sub 10 is equal to 16 times 1/2 raised to 9, since 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. A sub 10 is equal to 16 times 1/2 raised to 9 is equal to 1 over 512. And a sub 10 is equal to 1 over 32. Ganyan lang po ka-easy kung paano po natin mahanap yung missing term using geometric formula. And for the next time, guys, I'm going to show you guys and demonstrate more about this type of problem. So eto na nga guys, no, we have another example here. Find the 6th term of the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, and so on. Now, let's first write the geometric formula. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where n is the n term o yung term na hinahanap natin, a sub 1 is yung first term ng sequence, at r naman yung ratio. So since ang hinahanap natin ay 6 term, ibig sabihin yung n natin is equal to 6. At dahil ang a sub 1 natin, which is the first term of the sequence, ay 2, ibig sabihin yun na siya. A sub 1 is equal to 2. Now, let's find the ratio. Paano ba natin mahanap ang ratio? Eto, may tips ako guys. So, to find the ratio, you can actually obtain the ratio by dividing the preceding term to the previous term. Gets nyo? So, we can get that again by dividing a preceding term to the previous term. For example, 6 at 2. R natin is equal to 6, the preceding term, at 2, which is the previous term. Now, 6 divided 2 is equal to 3. Now, that is our ratio. Kahit pa sa mga terms na dyan guys, kagaya ng 18 at 6, pag i-divide nyo siya, 3 pa rin talaga yung lalabas. Kasi yan yung ratio ng sequence. So, alin na? At tara, at isolve na natin to. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 6 equals to a sub 1, we have 2, r, 3, raised to n, minus 1. So, 6 minus 1 tayo. 6 minus 1. A sub 6 is equal to 2 times 3 raised to 5. A sub 6 is equal to 2 times 3 raised to 5. Ilan ba ang 3 raised to 5? We have to multiply 3 by 5 times. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Yung lalabas dyan is 243. 243. At ang sagot naman natin is a sub 6 is equal to 2 times 243 is equal to 486. 486. So, ayan na nga po guys, no? Ito na po yung a sub 6 o 6th term ng sequence na 2, 6, 18, 54, and so on. So tara, alipat, mag-example pa tayo para maintindihan pa natin kung ano ba talaga ang geometric sequence at nang mas ma-illustrate pa natin ito. So for this one, I'm going to let you guys solve this problem. You may pause this video, at when you're done, you may play this again, and we're going to solve it together to find the correct answer. Kayo na po bahala mag-identify kung ano po yung value ng n, a sub 1, at r. So, sige, timer starts now. Time's up! Thank! At we're going to solve the problem na po. So first, let's identify muna the value of n, a sub 1, and r. The n, which is the nth term, or the missing term that we're going to find in this sequence is 8. Dali-dali lang, di ba? And the a sub 1, which is the first term of this sequence, is 5. Wow! I bet you got that correct. And the r, which is the ratio, is we're going to solve it first. So, teka lang muna. Adjust muna ako nang para naman makita nyo ng mas maayos. Yup, r is equal to 20 over 10. Ito lang muna yung gagamitin ko, which is the preceding term sa previous term. 20 over 10. 20 divided 10 is equal to 2. Therefore, our r is 2. Ganyan lamang po. Now, we may answer the missing term of the sequence para malaman natin ito. So again, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. We're trying to find the a sub 8 is equal to a sub 1 5 times r 2 raised to n is equal to 8 minus 1. So, a sub 8 is equal to 5 times 2 raised to 7. Now, a sub 8 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128. And a sub 8 is equal to 5 times 128 is equal to 640. Therefore, the 8th term of the sequence 5, 10, 20, 40 is equal to 640. Ito na po. So thank you for watching and hope you guys liked the video and I hope that you learned something today. Siguro naman na-explain ko ng maayos yung geometric formula, no? Hindi lagot ako sa sir namin. Pero ayos pa rin naman, no? At least here, in this video lesson, we're doing great and hope you guys are also doing great too. Babush!